guys, this is Belinda again. Welcome to my channel. So I bought a new camera. It's the Nikon Coolpix 950 P950. And I'll make sure that there you go. Another. Okay. Let's see. So I have the SD card. I also bought this one because it's not included in the camera. And then there is it. Here you go. Nikon Coolpix. There. Nikon Coolpix 950. So we'll open it. And here's the instruction, the quick start guide, and the camera. I'm afraid to carry it. So here you go. Here's the camera. Nikon Coolpix. There. And there's the screen. Okay. Put this one here. And then there is a here. Oh, the lens, I think. Ano, the cover. This is the battery. It's too small battery. And then you can plug it to the internet. This is the plug-in. And you have also the battery charger. There you go, battery charger. Okay, Han. Ayan guys, fully charged na ang battery natin sa Nikon camera. Ito yung strap, ilalagay yung USB cable, at saka yung camera. Tapos yung bumili ako ng SD card na ilalagay dito, at yung lens code, at saka yung lens cap. So, ilagay ko, tinakpan ko yung lens niya. So, ayan yung camera. Matangga yan. Ito yung video. Tapos pwede mo siyang ikutin pa ganyan. Pa ganyan. And then pwede mo siyang iganyan kung gusto mong mag-video. At saka i-set up mo yung camera. So hindi ko pa talaga kabisado kung paano to gamitin guys. So, pag-aralan ko muna. So, pero nilagay ko na yung battery at saka yung SD card kasi chinarge ko na yung battery dito. So, ito yung battery niya. Ito siya. Ito siya. Yan. So, ito yung battery. Nilagay ko na siya kasi na-charge ko na. So, dito siya sa gilid. May instruction naman. Tapos, nanonood din ako sa YouTube kung paano ilalagay ito. Paano ang setup. So, ito rin yung SD card niya sa gilid. So, sara lang ganyan. So, nilagay ko na. So, ito na siya. Tapos ito yung flash. Dali. Ito yung kailangan ko yung salamin. So, ito yung on and off. On and off siya dito. siya ang video. Ayan. Ito yung zoom. Tapos i-zoom natin, ha. Ano yun? There. Ang haba niya, lumabas. So, usually ito guys, maganda to siya sa sa moon. This is good for zooming, 83 times zoom niya nito. So, makikita mo yung kahit malayong-malayo yung moon, makikita mo yung crate niya. Tapos yung birds, makikita mo talaga kahit nandoon siya sa tree. Makikita nyo rin guys. So, ang ganda niya. See? Gamitin, gaganon mo lang. So, here you go. Ito yung Nikon. B. Yan. Yung microphone sa gilid. Yan. Pwede mo lagyan ng microphone. And then, ang flash, I think it's, let's see. Tapos ito guys, yung cup. Takpan mo yung lens. Push mo lang siya sa gitna. Tapos ilagay mo. Andiyan na. Yan na siya. Sarado. So, this is the flash push. There, lalabas yung flash niya. Yan. So, that's the dial. Ito yung okay. Tapos, ito yata yung metrage in here. Niliit. I'll show ito. Yan. Yan yung mga control. Paano mo siya iset yung camera mo. Yan. Yan. Flash. So guys, pasensya, hindi ko pa mapakita kung paano ko gamitin. Kasi, pag-aralan ko muna tong camera na to. So, kasi kararating lang. So, ito yung bag na in-order ko. Ang price yata nito, ano lang siya, $19.99. So, we open it. So, ito yung magiging bag ng bagong camera. So, ito yung carded. So, I'll show ito yung the inside. First, the inside. At ito yung strap niya. Strap. Tapos, dito sa loob. Meron din siyang velcro. And then the battery is also there and the USB. And then we close it. There you go. There's more space in here, guys. See? So, a nice bag, nice case. So, guys, I wanna show my two tripods. This one here too. You wanna lower or higher the tripod. And then the silver one is also here. This one naman, just iganon mo siya pataas pababa. Ito yung pipindutin mo sana. Ayan. Then, it's up to you to adjust the height. And this one also, I put it a little bit higher. The silver one.